All right, this is the first trading day. Let's do it.
Normally Mondays are bull days.
Guys,
Someone
we're-
just bought the crap out of NVIDIA.
We're trading ORB. Started with a good breakfast.
Someone bought like 300,000. No, 430,000 shares in NVIDIA. That's a bunch of like institutional.
Did we make all-time highs? Wow, we broke the highs.
For NVIDIA or QQQ?
QQQ on the 25th on Friday.
Friday made all-time highs. This morning, last night, made new all-time highs again. Went right to the top of the channel and got rejected.
I mean, I'm bullish in a bullish market, you know what I'm saying? So
looks like the QQQ's bouncing off the 180, I think.
On the 5-minute?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. All right, so for those interested, our strat, or at least mine is, for ORB, we're doing ORB, opening range breakout. Is it above or below ORB? Is it above or below 180 moving average? What's the QQQ doing? And following that, for example, if QQQ is bullish, we're going to be bullish on something like Robinhood or something like that. If it's opposite of what QQQ is doing, it's a lower quality trade, so we take less money on that trade, on that position. And risk reward is at least 2 to 1. Most of these end up being 3 to 1 if you follow ORB. So yeah, that's pretty good. But so we're just waiting for the 15-minute candle to close before making any decisions or taking any positions. But we're just kind of looking at what's going on. It looks like we're breaking new highs on NVIDIA and QQQ right now. I mean, QQQ basically is NVIDIA. So, you know, take that how you want. But yeah, I mean, if we broke an all-time high, I'm kind of bullish with a seatbelt.
Bullish with the seatbelt.
I think I need to get a new mic. This one sounds pretty bad. Guys, got your oatmeal. All part of a nutritious breakfast. Ugh, I was made to be a streamer. I was made to be a streamer.
You know, if I go to Europe, I'll be able to trade this and it'll be like 2 p.m.
Whoa.
I could like trade from like 2 to 5.
That's the definition of chill.
That's a chill job.
Okay, so there's volume points of interest at like on the QQQ at like 565, 565, 566. Well, it's 566 more.
Not really. Um, where are you saying? Cheap.
Google has a point of interest at 194. So we're like in the point of interest right now, the high volume in Google. So I mean, we could go either way. Goodness, that's a big 15-minute candle. You said you're not trading Robinhood, right?
I mean, I have it there. I honestly just feel like, I don't know. I feel like I need to just do QQQ for everything.
Okay.
I've been burned too many times by these other stocks. Oh wow, SoFi. Please tank. SoFi, please go down forever. Dude. Please. Oh my goodness. Yeah, bro, there is no freaking way that I'm getting that money back out of SoFi. I lost so much money.
Look, I know you're not trading Robinhood, but it's like there's like a really good setup today.
All right, I'm looking at Hood. What are you looking at?
Okay, I have very strong volume point of interest at 101, 102. I've got another point of interest of where it is currently, and then another kind of not super strong one up at like 109. So basically on my screen, it's just 3 tiers of areas, and it's like right in the middle. And Orb has ranged above and below the current interest point right now. So it's a bit like very clean setup, basically, in my opinion. If we can go above and or below in either direction.
Gotcha. You have targets above and below, you're saying.
Yeah, like very clear defined ones.
Yeah, that makes sense. If it breaks through, like if Hood breaks through those places of low liquidity, for sure. Like the one above you, if it goes up, it'll probably for sure get to 109.
Yeah.
Remember that these options are going to be longer dated options. So they're like 4-day. So you'd have to pay like, if you calls, yeah, you're going to be in for like 500 if you want to buy one contract for almost 500.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Because they're 4-day options.
Dang, they're $5.
Yeah.
Oh, that sucks. I don't want to pay $500. It's too big.
If it doesn't meet the risk profile, don't do it.
All right. I won't trade Hood today.
It is what it is. Spy dipped his toes out of orb and came back. And might close there. I'd honestly wait for confirmation. Bullish Spy.
Yeah, I'm bullish on Spy for
Same thing
show.
with QQQ.
It better not do what it was doing a couple days ago, where it just skyrockets. Gotta wait a whole nother 4 minutes to buy.
It is what it is. QQQ is breaking out right now.
Yeah.
Let's just see what happens. Today seems kind of low volume, actually. I think it's like NVIDIA. That's institution. Someone's doing that.
Dude, I'm pretty bullish on Google, except that it's below both 180s. Dang. Yeah, QQQ just got it's a tough wick. Oh my goodness. I'm going shorts on Google in a minute.
I would say the first candle makes it look like it's undecided.
Yeah, it's definitely a neutral candle, but it's got such a big wick on the current one.
QQQ kind of has low volume, and that's a big bearish candle on the QQQ.
Mm-hmm.
Big bear just happened. Nvidia.
Same type of
Nvidia got
candle.
sold off as well.
I don't like going short on Nvidia though.
Yeah, I know. Google drop below.
Google's below 15 and 5-minute moving averages.
Remember, the Google contracts are going to be expensive too.
No, they're only $3.
Look up Goog.
I could buy one.
Oh yeah, these are actually relatively cheap, like $2. I can buy the 192.50. Like right at the money. Then you go down to.
I'm buying Google shorts.
All right, let's do it.
So usually I don't like going short when the market's bullish, but QQQ seems undecided right now.
I agree.
So that's why I'm fine. But
It's bouncing off the 21 right now, which might be the wrong thing. We'll see. I mean, the SPY got sold off big time. Nvidia got sold off big time. Like the second candle, Nvidia got sold off a lot. Right now, it's kind of whatever.
the reason I like Google shorts is because right in the middle of orb is big volume point of interest. And we don't see another point of interest until like 192, 191, 191, not 191.50 or something. All right, I'm going to switch screens because this screen is.
Eyes open tonight. National Weather Service has about the highest alert they can give with some rangers and tornadoes expected this evening. Please be alert in this area tonight. Ignore no warnings. We also continue to see a ramping up of the tropical development in the East Pacific. The new one near Mexico is the most dangerous at this time. We'll be watching the development there. We are still adamant that the East Pacific seismic ramp up should be coming in the next few weeks. A station in Alberta, Canada, just broke a 120-year-old cold record. Those have been falling concurrent with the heat you're hearing about on TV. It's just that they're not talking about that side of things so clocks, are they? Lastly, on the science front, excellent study here.
All right, for y'all who are tuning in to Vinny Trades, so the rules when we're in our position is, at least mine are, once I'm outside of orb, uh, our stop loss is a 5-minute candle breaking back into orb, but we're still watching the 1 minute. And as we get further away from orb, it's just basically a trailing stop loss for the market structure of the downtrend. So if it's making lower highs and lower lows, we just stay in it. We let it run as much as possible. If we see a higher high, it could be a bigger pullback. So we're just like cautious about that. It's kind of in the moment, deciding when to take the stop losses for the pullbacks. But yeah, it's just trailing like that.
Ooh is coming back to orb.
Yeah, I've got 2 minutes.
Classic. Nvidia's still undecided. And
QQQ is going to close above. I mean, honestly, if QQQ closes above, I don't want to short Google.
yeah, I kind of agree with that.
So if QQQ shorts above, I'm gonna sell my puts and buy longs on Google. I mean on QQQ probably.
It looks like he's doing the same thing again, Vince. Morning sell off, and then up later in the day.
I mean, I've got 30 seconds on the Google stop loss.
Right now, it is just kind of chilling there.
I mean, oh my goodness, we just closed right inside orb. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna sell my puts and go longs on.
I don't know. I don't know if I'm going long there. This is an undecided market.
It's above the 5 and the 15 minute 180 for QQQ.
I still have my Google puts. Nvidia's dropping.
I mean, if we drop below again, I'll buy puts on Google, but because the QQQ 1 minute, I mean, if we can have a higher low here, then I mean, I'm fine with.
Yeah, it's bullish. Google. I got Google.
I'm thinking about. I don't know if I should wait for the 5 minute to close above or not. Because that 5-minute close above was like a bearish close above, undecided.
Nvidia hasn't broken out of orb. So I would almost be like, I don't know.
What's Nvidia doing? It's making higher lows.
It's being higher lows. I think it's getting bought off the.
Okay, I bought longs QQQ. Come on, Nvidia. Send us to the moon. If we make higher highs, I'm buying more. So we make it about 568, 80-ish.
I want to wait and see if Nvidia gets rejected from ORB again. Which may or may not happen. This just seems, I mean, it just seems like Nvidia's leading everything.
Whew, there's a lot of sells right at. Oh, there's 9,000 at 175.30. It's like right at orb. Oh, the sells went away.
Here we go.
God, dude, they're sneaky little turds, bro. These little boys, they're it's so annoying.
They are.
So chat. Basically, this is a level. Well, I guess you guys can see this. This order book is level 2. People can put limit orders at these lines, so it'll create a big wall of sellers right here. And then right before the price crosses, so those people are trying to tell the market that they're bullish or they're bearish, but really they're bullish, because I'm going long again on QQQ.
Dang, options are really expensive right now.
So yeah, they'll have this this fake wall of limit orders that make people think the market's bearish, and then right as the price gets near the orb or like the point of interest or their price that they have, basically they just remove the order and the sell and they buy instead. It's really tricky. All right, so stops as far as right now are still down inside of orb. It's below orb right here.
Nvidia's tanking. Nvidia's tanking big time. QQQ is undecided.
You must be patient, Luke.
I have not bought yet.
You know what we need right now? We need to switch the vibe up.
What does that mean?
It means we need to play Justin Bieber's Swag album.
I'm not. I didn't buy. Google's back down below, or most of the 1 minute. Yeah, 5 minute. Big time bear. On Goog.
Goog. I'm new to this whole stream thing.
I'm a new streamer. I gotta listen to some music.
Okay, guys. Well, the audio was probably all blocked out for you there. It's because I was playing Justin Bieber and I didn't think that I'm gonna get copyrighted. So, just in case if I post this on YouTube, apologies. We're new to the game here. Currently waiting for QQQ to blast off into the stratosphere. What's the take profit on QQQ right now?
It's all-time highs.
Okay.
We don't know. I mean, I could,
What's the fib say?
yeah, let me show you. I would argue that something around. Wait, hang on, let me look at that. That's slow volume, isn't it? Just for a second.
There's like no volume data up here.
Huh?
There's like no volume data up here.
Yeah, there is. So the fib. Honestly, if you pull it off of that, it might be different. If you pull it off today's orb. Hey, where is the orb? If you pull it off today's orb, is actually somewhere around here. It's a 1.5% projection. The 1618 is 569.09.
569.
So maybe literally where it touched, in the last 30 seconds or whatever that was.
Mm-hmm.
That's the 1.5% projection of orb. Nvidia is kind of undecided, so we might be. Dang, I might freaking I don't know. Risk reward. I think what I'm gonna do, Vince, I'm gonna wait for Nvidia to go to the top of orb, because I think it will. That'll push
Okay.
QQQ up some, and then I'm gonna sell top of orb on Nvidia and QQQ.
Okay.
And that might send QQQ to like the 1618 at 569.09, or the 2%, the 200% projection at 569.46. We'll see. But Nvidia right now is battling the 618 of fib, and I think it's gonna hold. I mean,
I don't like that it broke structure.
I agree. I think it'll go back to get close to the top of orb, and it might get rejected. It might break through. Who knows? But I'm gonna get out there.
Hold it. QQQ is like selling off.
It is. Like a massive dump. Nvidia's still bouncing off the 50% mark for the orb. QQQ's breaking into orb.
No. Bad QQQ.
Nvidia broke below halfway.
Dang.
think that made people afraid, and I thought about liquidating there. I think a lot of people are liquidating here. In the last minute, I think a lot of got liquidated. I think we chill. We keep watching the 5 minute. We look for 5 minute closes. I'm looking at the 1 minute to see what it looks like.
What stock? What are you talking about?
On
No.
Nvidia. I mean, I think that got bought up. I think it dipped and then got bought up. My stuff's kind of hard to tell, but
I mean, honestly, QQQ's candles are interesting. I mean, really, we could just bounce right off orb right now. It could go either way, to be honest.
yeah, I'm still long. That's honestly what it looks like. It looks like it just kind of dipped its toes in there, bounced off to 180 on the 1 minute chart, and now it's going up.
But I don't like what Nvidia is doing though.
Yeah, Nvidia. I think Nvidia got bought up. They went below 50% orb for a little bit. It kind of just dipped its toes in there, and it got bought up.
The options prices do not want to go back to bullish. My options prices right now, they're like I'm in the money. I'm profiting. I should be profiting on the chart, but the options are like no. I like two.
Yeah, people are freaked out.
Yeah, that one big drop was like scary for them.
That might be, man, it might be a good sign, honestly. It might. That means people would have got washed out. Imagine streaming and you have 4 monitors that you're streaming to.
Your GPU is just on fire inside your.
Nvidia's breaking out. Come on, baby. Still not reflected in the options price.
It actually may be. My average price is 135. I bought 2 different places, so it's kind of hard to tell. I didn't think about that.
Yeah, I got into 120 and QQQ, and I got in at 2. I'm basically even on Nvidia. 250.
Nvidia just needs to break 175.06.
Very bullish.
ASAP.
Doji candle for QQQ. Nvidia not so much, but like I still think there's a lot more buys.
There.
That's actually a really bullish candle.
There's 15,000 sells at 175.
Oh yeah, this thing's gonna go up big time.
It's like that's like the sign. It's like
That's the sign.
that's a sign of the inverse gonna happen. That is so crazy.
It's gonna touch it. It's gonna disappear.
All right, chat. This is what I'm talking about, chat. Look at this 16,000 sell orders at 175. Okay, 175 is right here. It's about to cross it. Let's see what happens.
Oh, you see that on video? I see it on QQQ, 15,000.
Oh, shocker. The orders are gone. The orders are gone. We saw it in real time.
That's crazy.
15,000 probably would have sent us I mean, right? It would have printed a red candle if 15,000 orders would have gone through.
Oh yeah, certainly.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
It would at least pushed it down quite a bit.
This is a lesson, chat. Institutional traders are sneaky, bro. These banks are slippery. They're like little lizards.
The lizard people.
The lizard, the banks are the lizard people.
People are still there.
QQQ's not reacting and doing anything at all.
All right, what did I say? Top of orb. We're not there yet, but we're almost to the 786. And my options prices are like just even. I'm actually losing money for QQQ options right now. And Nvidia, I'm like even. That's a bearish candle for QQQ. Thick. There's 12,000 cells for QQQ at 568.90. Let me look at this stuff. We'll find out if it's a real thing or not here in a sec. 568.90, as I said.
If we come back into orb, dude, it's like
Yeah, there's one order to sell 12,000 there. So I think when we get there, it'll just like go over top, or it'll get canceled.
I mean, if you look at the QQQ 5-minute, it looks like it could just be a little pullback before a bigger move.
It does look that way.
So, I mean, that's why I kind of like the rule of 5-minute closing inside of orb, because it lets you sit here and
Patience.
yeah, patience.
What's that guy's name? He said to be patient. Trader. Yeah, that scalper.
I don't remember his name. So chat, basically I'm waiting to see on this 1-minute chart here. See how we have lower highs or higher high or higher lows, sorry. So you got a low here, you got a low here. This could be a low if we can keep moving up. So those are good signs because that's a bullish sign. We have higher highs. There's a high. We have a high. We have a high. This is barely higher. So it's like kind of undecided. If we drop into this red range here and we close candles there, it's like trade's kind of busted, but on the 5-minute, I mean, you can just see this as like an A, B, C, but maybe not. Hold it, dude.
This is a low volume. 12,000 orders gone.
You think that was it?
12,000 cells is gone, and the
Oh my goodness.
Look at this. That's crazy. Did someone just dump that much? It could be. They may have just sold 10K at market.
Dude, hold it.
Yeah, we got a wreck, bro.
Did you close?
No.
Technically, the 5-minute candle hasn't closed inside of orb yet.
Someone sold all those.
My goodness.
Whoever freaking did that is a stupid person.
Look at Nvidia. Nvidia's not even touched.
Someone canceled their 12,000 order of cells up there and they just sold at market. That's crazy.
Diabolical, dude.
That's crazy.
Dude, we're coming back, bro.
12,000 times 568.
Chat, we're back. Look how back we are. 5-minute candle hasn't closed inside. That's why I didn't sell.
Bro, that's only 6.8 million. That's not even that much.
Like, look at the level 2 curves right now. I like how the level 2 looks.
Yeah, that seller got out, so and he got bought up. I mean, he bought that whole thing.
Mm-hmm.
So I mean, I think we're good. I'm gonna freaking buy like 2 more. I bought 2 more of QQQ. I think we're gonna go up from here. That seller he got scared and he got out. That's interesting though. A lot of people sold. It's like morning sell off.
Yeah, dude. Man.
What an idiot.
He's probably been in for like months.
Yeah, probably. He's probably been in since like the lows of the April 8th lows.
That's a happy man.
Mm-hmm.
He's a happy man today.
6.8 million has probably cost him like 4 or 5 if he bought then. But yeah, that's crazy though. Man, they just I guess for him it doesn't matter, like the few like dollars. I will say, it would feel good knowing that you did this scandal.
I know. It's almost worth it.
Like, bruh, I crashed the whole NASDAQ for about 60 seconds.
Guys, I'm 13 minutes away from stop lossing.
Nvidia's kind of looking good, but it's still. Yeah, this is gonna play into the morning sell-off, into the later day, like continued buying.
All right, I followed my rules. I closed it.
You closed it?
Mm-hmm.
No. All right.
Mm-hmm. All right, let's see what's going on.
QQQ is back above orb. Nvidia looks like it's gonna break. I think we might get to what I was saying before. Get to the top of orb on Nvidia. I'm selling QQQ, but we'll see. It's battling the 786 right here.
I'm gonna honestly buy puts on QQQ.
Think so?
If we close inside orb here on the 5-minute candle in 2 minutes. Because on the 1 minute, we're making lower highs still. I mean, definitely definitely made a lower low, but I don't know how to treat that candle because of that one seller.
May have just been an anomaly. I mean, I don't know. You can say that about it. You can say that about anything. $175,000. What? 24,000 sells on Nvidia. 175.25. Oh crap! Yeah, we're not making it there. I mean, that guy might. He might like get. What if this is the same freaking guy? Like, it could literally be. This dummy's gonna sell here. I could honestly see that happening. That might not be one guy. 175.25. Let's look. 175.20. Oh no, it's one person.
How do you know?
I can see the individual orders. 23,700 is how many is like one order. Wow, that's crazy. All right, so on Nvidia, we got rejected off the 786 for orb. Got rejected off top of orb, 786 of orb. QQQ.
Because Nvidia's
this area and then it got bought up.
We're in a weird place. Nvidia is technically making lower highs and lower lows on the day. Well, no, it's making.
This Nvidia sell order is just one guy, and the fact that it could literally be the same person. Like, let's look. Let's actually do this. He has 24,000 right times 175, 4.2 million. That's in the same region. So it would have been like someone had 10 million. They could get 10 million out. That's what they're trying to do.
Okay, I bought puts on QQQ.
I think. Dang, I think they might actually do it. Where's this guy? He's still there. Okay. I'm freaking worried though.
I only bought one contract though. I'm going to scale into it. I just need to make sure we don't make those higher highs.
Normally, if it's an institution, they'll do like 4 or 5 orders.
Bursts.
Like 4,000.
Oh, I got you. Just to like get a better price.
And they'll like spread them out. Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's just some bozo. I literally think. I honestly might liquidate for this one reason.
For this one stupid reason.
I mean, I might be wrong. I mean, I think people want to get out of the market before this week because they're worried. They might just they'll just get in next week. I'm definitely feeling the fear though. I'm a bit shook because man, I'm sure Nvidia puts. No way this is factored in. So QQQ, Nvidia wouldn't move. When he sells Nvidia, it's gonna tank everything.
So where's that order at? 175.25?
Yeah. It's still just sitting there.
That's so funny.
When did this candle happen? 10 after 10:20. I'm going to sell. I'm closing my positions.
That's probably smart.
I'm not down a lot. Closing my positions. I'm going to buy Nvidia puts. I don't see the order anymore.
Oh, the order's gone.
They're watching me. They're watching me, Vince.
Yeah. He might be doing market orders though, because that's what he did last time.
So he canceled his limit order, and now he's going to do a market order.
That's
I mean, he could have he could have got bought up there. I don't think so. He got rejected. So he got close, and then it's probably just some intern working at like a broker. He's like, all right, man, your job is to sell this many, QQQ, and then he's just like, all right, well, I'm gonna sell this and then play on my phone the rest of the day. Presses the sell button. Job done. Wow, yeah, I'm still working on that
I'm
order.
still
He's
working.
like, bro, I see what happened.
That's funny. There's a divergence right now. There's higher lows and lower highs.
QQQ is battling orb and it's just fighting for its life.
I know. I have one put order right now, but I only bought one contract.
Yeah.
Just to feel it out. But it is not, I mean, it's like,
I mean, it is. They wouldn't make it so hot.
I'm going puts.
On QQQ?
Yep.
Yeah, I have 2 puts on Nvidia. And I broke my rule that said I wouldn't trade individual sucks.
I'm technically breaking my rule that I'm not going bullish, or I'm not going bearish on QQQ, but
Wait, what do you mean?
yeah, I basically in my mind I was like, I'm not gonna go bearish on QQQ. But
You bought. Wait, did you just buy puts now?
yes. Because I've got like 4 candles inside of Orb.
Yeah. I mean, it's. I would have expected it just to go back up right away, and then kind of had a big surge after that big sell-off, but it's not doing it. I might buy puts as well. I might buy some.
Nvidia's got a bunch of sell orders. Like evenly distributed sell orders. Except for that 175.14, there's 12,000.
Yeah, let me look at that guy. 175.14.
It's 5. Yeah, it's 14. Yeah.
175.14. That's one order of like 11,000. You must have taken that order away, right?
I don't know. Now we're going to close a 5-minute green candle above Orb now. Dang, bro.
So 175.40. That's an institution. They have buys at 174.90 and sells at 175.40. Someone's doing like a straddle or something. It is crazy though that when I cancel my sells is like when he closes limit order.
Yeah, we're breaking.
At 175.25. Maybe he'll just. Maybe I'll wait for it to get up there and then just dump it.
Do you have puts on QQQ right now?
Yeah, I do. I have puts. I have.
It just broke the downward trend structure.
That's true. Yeah, it did make your highs. I want to see Nvidia get above 175.25. Holy crap! 20,000 cells, 23,000 cells up there, or buys up there.
Dude, I can't win. I can't win, bro. I sold my puts.
Dang. Nvidia's going to top of Orb. It just tapped it and then It kept. Now it's going down. Now it's dropping.
It's still an uptrend.
It is. Sold my video puts. Alright, let's think about this logically. We got these right here. So if it does go to 1.5, is a mega bearish candle. What the heck? Yeah, that's bullcrap. It's just gonna fight. It's gonna fight this thing here.
It's so dumb. It's making higher lows
I sold half my position.
and lower highs.
Or like almost even. And then we'll see what happens. I think it's gonna go sideways the rest of the day, Vince. I don't think we trade this. I'm out.
Of
QQQ.
FQQQ what?
Puts.
Oh, really?
I do want to buy more 2-week puts. But I gotta think about it for a little bit. Honestly, don't think we trade the rest of the day for real. It's been faking out. Like, you could argue bullish because it broke out right above orb. It went back into it, went to the halfway point, and got thought of immediately. And like, it isn't trying to break below this 786 line. Like, all of these candles are on the 786. Like all these candles.
Yeah.
So like, you could be very bullish right here from that thing. This got sold off, which is big time bear.
That's what I'm saying. It's like
it literally might sit here and do this all day. You could just do this all day. So I probably would chill. I think I'm gonna chill. Nvidia's undecided. Like, Nvidia hasn't really broken out of orb. That's kind of. I think it's got to.
so. This has happened a couple times. It's like the. It's like a triangle like this, right? Higher lows, lower highs.
Mm-hmm.
What does that mean?
Which one's a triangle?
It's just the past couple days. Like, I mean, the couple days I've been trading last week, it was doing that too. It's just like pretty undecided.
I don't know. I would say like, yeah, it's probably undecided market. I think people are waiting for events. I think it's in people's minds. So like, Wednesday is the Fed meeting. They're going to decide interest rates.
Hey, QQQ made new lows.
Oh wow. But I didn't buy put calls.
I have one put contract, but it is instantly bought up.
I'm like, I would be even. Maybe make it a little bit, but. So August 1st is this Friday, when the new tariffs get in place. And like, the stock market is at all-time highs.
Yeah.
And I think people's perception is like the most optimistic that it could be. Because people are assuming that Trump will like chicken out, basically. Of like actually doing the tariffs. And he needs like a distraction. He needs and I think his ego is too big for people to be like, talking smack about him. And he has basically voiced that he will do tariffs across the board for everybody, like 10%, which is more than what it was. So I don't think that's priced in. Like, I think people are expecting things to work out.
Okay, guys, we might see our first green trade of the entire year. No, I'm just kidding. But we are in we're in very tiny one contract puts for QQQ because I literally have no more money left in the account to trade with. So I screwed myself on risk management once again. Went too heavy too early relative to my account size. See, that's a problem. That's what I'm doing. I'm trading with dollars that I know I have in like my other accounts. It's like I know how much I'm worth as a person.
Just move it
but my account is only worth a percentage of that. So I have to scale down my trades. I'm losing too much money. Like I think all of this activity of like a choppy market and testing the waters on trades is normal, but it's putting me in a unfortunate position because I'm not scaling properly. See, like I had 4 contracts earlier at like 10:30 to benefit off what's happening right now because QQQ is selling off. But I got stopped out here. Oh, I got stopped up here on this one bearish looking candle that closed outside of orb. Or no, it's this one. This bullish 1040 candle. Ugh, what a shame.
I would think about getting out because you're the 50% mark of orb. Also, this is where stuff got bought up.
I mean the volume, there's no volume.
Yeah, so it might get rejected there. If there's no volume, like it could like either blow past it or go back up.
Sorry, what I meant to say was there's no volume history, so it's.
Yeah.
I mean, is there? No, because there's a huge fair value gap in after hours.
It could fill that gap. Well, it kind of already did that today.
I'm going to the 15-second chart. I mean, isn't that kind of a smart idea?
What do you mean?
15-minute chart, 15-second chart.
What about the 15 seconds?
Like if there's no history here, if there's never been history here.
If there is no history there, it'll probably. I mean, there is some like bottom of orb. It would go to bottom of orb, right?
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, it bounced. It bounced right at 50%, which is where it was. 568.03. It made higher highs, higher lows. It's making lower highs. Triangles forming. Alright, let's see what Elliott Wave says. Wow, that's perfect.
What is it bouncing at?
Man, that thing's an ascending. Thing's an ascending wedge. English. Let's say this is an A. B, C, D, E. It is downtrending. So I think that means that it's going to break up from 0 mark A, B, C, D, E, and this next foot break is up. Honestly, I still think we go long here anyway. So I made a triangle. Oh, what the heck is that? Get out of here. I made a triangle.
Wow, that buy candle.
Yeah, that's a big boy there. That really screwed me. I have the order. So this thing could go up here and potentially break through. And then that would be bullish. It just depends on how you're drawing it. If like this, that looks impulsive. A lot of separation there. This looks corrective. This is impulsive, corrective. A, B, C.
Dude, 15-second chart might actually be a move.
A, B, C, A, B. Lots of overlap in this wave. This is the B wave. A, B. I still think we're in this freaking channel. I'm going long. QQQ.
All right, boys. Chat, Days P&L. We lost 16% of the account.
That's terrible, bro.
Oh, yeah, we got to figure some things out on the risk management side. But I think we're done. I think I'm done. I'm going to go do other work.
About 4 calls.
Luke is in calls.
Time to play League. We can lose in League too, you know. Maybe that's what we need to do. We need to play League first.
Oh, I just lose everything.
And get the losses out.
Yeah.
And then we do trading.
Right. Agreed.
Yeah, what up? Nice. Sweet. Alright, well hopefully mine looks alright. Bruh.
All right. I just wanted to hop back in. I was technically done trading for the day, but QQQ just tanked, which is actually like the trade I was trying to take this trade. I was trying to take this trade here at, let's see. I was trying to take this trade at where was I? So this happened. Yeah, right here. So 1035. Yeah, 1035. I had puts. I had one put, one contract here, and then I bought 3 more contracts here because I saw some red candles. And we just stayed. We stayed inside of ORB here. And then we came outside of ORB. I stopped out here because we broke structure. But it was a fake out. And we came right back in. And then, so basically the sell-off didn't come for another let's see, for another 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. It didn't come for another like 40 minutes. So I was 40 minutes too early, or else I would have been rolling in it. Instead, I am crying. All right, I just had to give a quick update on today's trading because that's important. All right, peace.